Good morning, everyone. Back again here inside the Victoria Sports Tower here in the city of Quezon. And this is the continuing coverage of the PSL National Finals. And this is the semifinal round of it. Caloocan will take on Davao City. My name is Sandy Gumo alongside Melo Navarro, and Mickey Santos will join us later at the side. Melo.
Another interesting ball game we have here in front of us. Itong Caloocan averaging 86 points a ball game. Davao naman, more of a defensive team. No? 69 points lang kanilang production, pero they're limiting their opponents to only 55 points. So tingnan natin kung sino bang mananaig. Ito bang takbuhan ng Caloocan o ang depensa ng Davao?
Well, Caloocan 2-1 coming into this ball game. Davao City 3-0, a perfect record coming into this ball game, and the winner will face Luid Kapampangan tomorrow. The Philo Eco Center in San Juan. Now we'll turn you over to our game announcer.
Finals. Let's first call out the starters of Caloocan. At guard number 3, Leo Del Hilot. At forward number 8, Daryl Catalan. Also at forward number 18, Fransley Baldomino. The other guard number 21, John Canapi. And the other forward number 22, Lawrence Rojas. Their head coach is Adrian Tambongo. Check out now the starters of Davao City. At guard number 4, John Oropesa. The other guard number 5, Jocelyn Bandao. At forward number 8, Jefferson Bentulan. At center number 20, Alexander Elorango. In the other forward number 27, Jefferson Alcantara. Their head coach is Prince Macavinta. Officiating this ball game, our crew chief, Jerry Borja. Umpire 1, June Santiago. And umpire 2, Eddie Villarosa. Our technical head, Mr. Levy Valenzuela.
We are back here. And sabi ko nga kanina, itong Davao City 3-0 coming into this ball game, while Caloocan 1-0. 2-1. So Catalan will start. Ito yung magaling itong si Catalan eh. Inside presence niya. Traditional big itong si Catalan para sa Caloocan.
Oo. And that complements the outside shooting nitong sila Leo Del Hilot and si John Carl Canapi.
Bandao. This is a quick team itong Davao City.
Oo, definitely.
Mabilis ito. Yan ang problema nila pag tumatakbo si Catalan kasi may iwan eh.
Kaya nga.
The drive, yes.
When you talk about their quickness, pinakitaan agad tayo ng takbuhan. Halos hindi na nag-dribble in that fast break sequence.
Hilot, one of their best scorers.
Oo. Leo Del Hilot averaging 13.3 points a ball game. Second to John Carl Canapi, who has 18.6.
Oropesa for 3.
Quick foul given up there by Davao. That was Jostian Bandao, not allowing John Carl Canapi to lead the break and makuha ng maaga yung kanyang rhythm dito.
Rebounded by Davao. That's Ihorango. Oh, tingnan mo, bilis, di ba, Melo?
Hinahanap pa natin yung pangalan, lumilay up na itong mga player na to.
Yung Davao. Yan yung nakita kong problema ng Caloocan kahapon when I covered them. Yung takbuhan naiiwan sila.
Yeah. They're very strong in terms of half-court execution. Pero yun nga, against a team who loves to run, medyo challenge yan for them.
8:24 remaining. Second game here. Ngayong araw sa semifinals natin. Catalan feeling his defender from behind, but denied by Jorango.
Back-to-back, solid interior defense.
Back-to-back finish para sa Davao City.
So that's what he talked about, Davao. Their defense really holding their opponents.
By the way, our officials, Jerry Bora, John Santiago Jr., and Eddie Villarosa. Maayong buntag sa atong mga higala diya sa Visayas ug Mindanao. Kaya Davao, Visayas speaking man.
Oo nga
Magtagalog ka.
Kasabot ko, pero dili ko kay istorya.
Mag-ula ka nag-istorya. Canapi.
Napipilitang magmadali yung opensa nitong Caloocan.
Sila yung nag-timeout kanina. Walang problema. So, Caloocan still scoreless here in the first quarter.
Yeah. Itong si Alexander Jose Jorango, 9.3 points, 14 rebounds per ball game at nakakadalawang block na.
Gusto ko makita sila ni Peña.
Maganda yan.
Ito naman si Canapi on and off, pero magaling na 3-point shooter ito Ayun, dalawang kapos na tres ang binitawan ngayon ni Canapi. Masyado malakas na yung paso. The intention was good, but the execution was bad.
Kaya nga, pero itong si John Carl Canapi, he's more of a streak shooter.
Now we'll turn you over to Mickey Santos. Mickey Santos, what do you have?
Kinamusta ko nga kanina si Coach Adrian at ang mga players ng Cantaloupe at tila ba nagising daw sila sa kanilang pagkatalo laban sa Pampanga kahapon. Aminado raw siya na they had a rough and slow start at panay walang rhythm daw ang kanyang mga players. Kaya naman ngayon ay balik raw sila sa pagiging underdogs at hindi na sila makakampante hanggang sa huling tunog ng buzzer laban sa undefeated team ng Davao City. Ika nga nila, they are gonna fight this fight with their heart because this is not the battle of the best shooter, defender, or rebounder anymore, but the win goes to the ones willing to give all and sacrifice the most. Back to you.
Yung nga sinasabi natin kanina, against Pampanga kahapon, tinakbuhan sila. At tinambakan sila kahapon ng Pampanga. Peña yung best player.
And Eugene Peña, back-to-back has yung kanyang very good ball games, no? Pero if you're Caloocan right now, you gotta put that game behind you. Diba? Dahil ngayon may chance ka na makatapat ulit sila kapag nalagpasan mo itong Davao.
Good point there, Coach. Canapi. Outside to Hilot. Scored 26 points yesterday. Bilis talaga binabato na lang yung bola. That was a dangerous one.
Medyo bumagal yung oras doon.
Hindi, yung espiritu ko umalis ng mga 3 seconds Bakit kaya, no? Tayo natakot no?
Pero yung tumumbang player, parang wala, tumayo lang.
Parang pinagpag lang niya na kabok. 8-3 is our score. Semifinal round. The PSL National Finals. Tomorrow we will be at the Philoil Equal Center. Para sa lahat ng championships ng ating lahat ng age categories, born 2004, 4, 6, and 8.
Oo.
4-3, masyadong malakas. Block inside.
Giving him a dose of his own medicine.
By Alvarez.
Oo, that time around, Adi Alvarez denying that shot.
Hilot. 5:27 remaining. Shot clock 13. The floater, that's good.
Keeping things simple, that was Justin
Yun.
Palik going to his strong side and finishing with that floater.
Good point. 4-3. Alvarez. Cannot be asking for it. Itong Davao City playing matchup. Nice drop pass. Ganda ng pagtingin.
Oo, good recognition mula kay John Carl Canapi. Already missed 2 threes. Ano yun, ginawa muna, naging decoy at pinasahan yung kanyang big man.
Alcantara. Now Caloocan down by 1. Alcantara releases the 3. Yes!
Hindi maipasok yung dos, sabi ni Alcantara. Mabuti dito muna sa labas. And adding to the problems of NCR Caloocan.
Now Davao shooting 4 of 9 from the field. Short on the drive. Here is Davao. They're up by 4. Twelve seconds. Canapi will score in transition. So Caloocan finding a way to stop the rampaging Davao City. And they cut down the lead to 2 points. Back in a moment. Palik, Alvarez, Canapi. Tinanggal nila doon si Catalan. Sa takbuhan eh.
Trying to,
2-point game.
Yeah, trying to take away the advantage nga dahil maagang nakabulusok itong Davao.
Three seconds. 14 seconds shot clock. Naiwan yung bola. Traveling violation. Shot clock at 10. of the 24. Gantuanco misses outside. The ball will stay with Davao City.
Ngayon, Davao City with a baseline inbound. Ang tanong ngayon, sino makaka-match up dito kay Alexander Ehurango?
Ngayon, di pumapasok yung mga pukol sa labas. Yung Pampanga, 1 out of 5 from beyond the arc here in the first period. Alvarez drives. Masyadong dikit sila kay Canapi.
Kaya nga, ayaw nila makabuhelo. Alam nila kung ano yung kayang gawin eh. Imagine, 18.6 points a ball game.
Oo. Tsaka nag-average ng 3-3 yan eh.
Kaya nga, and if you're gonna take away his offense, easily,
I like
may
the ball.
bababa mo to 60 points ang production.
Orango goes inside, can't get the kind of bounds. Loose ball picked up. Canapi will drive. A little nudge, yes.
Experience ang ginamit ni John Carl Canapi in that last sequence.
$15 remaining in the shot clock. Fall away from the ball. The Davao average 59 points coming from turnovers. Davao 5 out of 14 from the field here. That's 35% shooting. Gantranco with a frontal attack. Two minutes. Tanod. That's good. They're second from the three-point territory.
Good play para dito sa panig ng Davao City. Drive and kick action. Libreng-libre doon. Itong si Tanod.
14-11 is our score. For the tie, no. Caloocan, 1 out of 3 from beyond the arc. 33% shooting here in the first period. Substitution here para sa Caloocan. Alvarez will go out. Santos in for Caloocan. Duke Santos. Tanod. 13 of the 24. Tanod fires away. Can't get it to fall. Palik. Going all the way for the 2 points. Kung Serbian yan or Croatians, Palic.
Kaya nga, dire-diretso siya doon. Hindi napigilan, maski dala yung bantay.
Gantranco. Labandero. Gantranco for 3. That's good. It's a long two-pointer.
And a nice looking jump shot. Mula dito sa panig ng Davao.
Goes out of bounds. $19 seconds remaining in the first period. Bintulan will be taken out. Sampaga, new player on the floor para sa Davao City. Number 14 guy of Davao is Alberto Labandero.
Too aggressive that time. Natawagan siya na hand check.
Santos can't shake off his defender. Inside. No connection there para sa Batang Kangkalu. Ang ganda ng mga defensive stop din ng Caloocan.
Oo. Hindi na papayagan yung mga forward pass. Nasolusyonan yung takbuhan itong Davao.
Back in a moment, second quarter is coming up next. With Melo Navarro, my name is Sandy Grumo. This is the semis of the PSL National Finals, the road to the PSL Global Challenge that will be happening on July 15 at the Araneta Coliseum, 15 to 21. Ano nangyari kanina sa first period, Melo?
Pero itong Davao leading in almost all departments, so 35% from the field. Pero ang mabigat dito yung 10 turnover nila compared to the 4 of Caloocan. At ang Caloocan naman, sinamantalayan with 9 turnover points. Kaya naman nakadikit sila dito sa laro natin.
Biglang nag-iba yung ihip ng hangin kasi maganda yung umpisa ng Davao no? At pinag-uusapan niya natin itong Caloocan, hindi sila masyadong makasabay sa takbuhan. Pero nagawa nila ng paraan na habulin.
Yeah. One of the things na ginawa nga nila dito is sinakripisyo nila yung kanilang height by taking out of the game itong si Catalan and putting up a quicker roster.
Baldomino scores from the free throw line. Kita-kita natin yung sistema ng mga play ng Davao. Nice drive. And they're sharing the ball well. Oh, basketball count was a foul.
That was all heart and hustle para dito kay Sampaga. Coming out of nowhere to get that rebound, providing a second chance point para sa kanyang koponan.
7 of 20 from the field, 35% shooting para sa Davao. And they're sharing the ball well. 6 assists here in the first half. And Davao unable to complete the three-point play. We are glad that you can join us. Yung katong mga Bisaya diya sa Davao, Davao region, hangtod diya sa General Santos City. Oh, nice shot.
Duke Santos knocking down the second three-pointer of Caloocan out of 7 tries. That should open up the driving lane para sa kanila.
Lavandero will try to answer it, but to no avail. It was well picked up by Davao. Tanod. Bodies flying all over the place. Offensive foul will be called on Davao. Number 15. And that is Rowen J. Taporok. Again, the winner of this game will face Luid Kapampangan of Pampanga tomorrow in the second game.
That should be interesting, no?
First game pala sila.
Oo, kahit sino makatapat dito. Hindi wala kang pagpipilian.
Oo. Shot from the outside did not go in. Labandero. Three-pointer, no. Medyo maanghang na ngayon ang shooting ng Davao compared sa first period. Nice layup there para naman sa Caloocan. Lamang na sila ng 1 puntos dito, Melo.
Yeah, Caloocan turning up the speed of this game. Sila naman ang tumatakbo at nakakakuha ng mga quick points. Sagot naman ng Davao dito. Three-pointer.
That was caught in the act.
Yeah, galing dito kay Gantuangco. He's the leading scorer of his team with 16.6 a ball game and kakailanganin yung kanyang production dito.
Baldomino travels. Sayang, ano? Wide open lane, eh.
Oo. Kaya sumobra ganda, eh. Kaya sumobra libre dahil din nga nagkaroon ng sobrang step.
21-19 is our score. Labandero, Bandao goes inside. Traveling violation.
Good call by our official. Same foot land ang nangyari doon.
Ang tawag dyan?
Same foot land, parehong tanan yung...
May tawag na style na yun, eh.
Yeah, parang dati yung tinatawag na...
Yugo step ba yan?
Oo.
Oo, di ba?
Because it gives so much advantage, eh, no? Kaya nag-adjust din yung FIBA rules.
Very deceptive yun kasi isa lang, eh. Di ba? Parang kang popcorn ba? Pero ngayon siguro pag 40 or maybe 30, 40 plus ka na, mahirap nang gawin yun. Sakit na sa tuhod,
Sakit
diba?
sa tuhod. Especially with all the extra weight that we've earned.
Oo, kasi isang paa lang yun, eh. Pagbagsak mo.
Doon lang tayo sa safety first.
Tira-tira lang, itsa-itsa. Baldomino scores from the free throw line. Let's take a look at the numbers of Baldomino. He averaged 7 points a game, 5 rebounds. Rojas from the outside. Now, Caloocan ahead by 2 points. Tabla naman tayo.
Hindi ka pwedeng malingat, eh, no? Caloocan with a good execution. Pero dali-dali, nakabawi itong Davao.
Canape will answer.
And John Carl Canape has the right thing in mind, no? Not settle for outside shots.
Canape with a spin. Comes up empty. And the follow-up shot there by Santos.
Able to do cleanup job is itong si Santos, and that will prompt a timeout.
We'll be right back with 6:44 remaining.
Here from the second quarter of the game. Nakausap mo nga kanina, bago magsimula ang laro si Coach Prince ng Davao at ang sabi niya sa akin ay excited daw ang kanyang mga players na ibigay ang kanilang best at makuha ang pagkapanalo ngayon. Dagdag pa ni Coach, his players really do deserve the spot dahil saksi raw siya sa pinagdaanan ng mga to at ang kumpiyansa ang dala nila para sa larong ito. Tinanong ko rin ang 3 bagay na gustong makita ni Coach sa kanyang mga players. Yon ay to play with pride, play with an aggressive mindset, defense mindset, and play with a limitless effort. That's all for the side of the Davao City. Back to you guys.
Well, tama nga yun. Ano? Talagang it's the right mindset. Especially coming into a playoff game. Ano na to eh. Kumbaga, yung room for errors mo medyo mas maliit na. Kaya parang nga dito sa panig ng Davao.
At saka is hakbang na lang.
Oo, yan. Doon ka na eh.
Nandito na kayo sa Manila. And for some, this is the biggest stage for them.
Yeah, alam naman natin how recruitment has also improved over the years. Dati, ang tinitingnan na natin, probinsya ngayon, even outside the country, may recruitment na. Kaya mas nagiging tighter yung labanan.
Kaya magandang bihikulo ito para sa mga kabataan natin Pilipino. 4-3. Alcantara misses that one. Canapi from far away and it rims out.
Layo, no? At least 3 steps away.
Yan, nasa mid-court na yun eh. Nasa logo na ng Victoria Sports Tower eh.
And we've seen him drain those types of shots from si John Carl Canapi. Pero kung ikaw yung Davao, bibigay mo na yun eh. Instead of him making those easy layups.
And that's how you break the press. Look at that. There was the challenge, pero pinahirapan man niya yung sarili niya. Conversion pa rin para sa Davao.
Nakabuelo kasi. That's the thing about it. Dahil sa sundot na ginawa doon ng Caloocan.
Hilot outside. Three won't go. Ihorango. Nice move there by Ihorango. Pag nasa loob si Ihorango, maganda yung nilalaro ng Davao City. Timeout tayo dito. Saying happy birthday to our floor director and audio man, multi-talented Albert Halum. Happy birthday to you. That's from us, Sandy and Melo.
Sana ay mabusog lang, mabusog.
Akong bahala sa Biyernes, ha? Huwag kang mag-alala. Hotel tayo. Canapi is blocked. It's been a very close second period for both teams. Davao scoring 15, Caloocan scoring 14.
Yeah. Talagang ayaw bumitaw nitong parehong kupunan. Ano? Even in the first quarter, 16-13 ang ating naging talaan dyan. And that goes to show na nakapag-adjust, especially itong panig ng Caloocan sa takbuhan ng Davao.
Kaya nga, tatanungin sana kita, na-adjust nila talaga at saka kung tatakbo man yung Davao, may katapat at may nakaharang na. Bumabalik na sa depensa itong Caloocan.
Kung makikita mo dito na sa mga numero natin, sinakripisyo ng Caloocan yung inside scoring. 18-20 lamang ang Davao dyan. Pero pagdating doon sa fast break, napantayan din naman nila yung number 1 weapon nitong Davao.
Fast break points +2 is Davao. Canapi in transition, he will score! So Canapi, hindi mo mapasok yung mga pukol niya sa 3. Sabi mo nga kanina. Mas kailangan i-stop na lang nila yung guys yung sa tres,
Oo, eh.
yung penetration.
Especially these types of plays, and one opportunity. Ang masakit dyan, binibigyan mo ng pagkakataon maka 3 points, tapos nadadama yung iba doon sa energy.
So ito si Kanapi naman, 3-point play para sa kanya.
Kung hindi kaya sa malayo, di kunin natin sa malapit yung 3 points.
Ibang version ng 3, ano? Kanapi completing the 3-point play. Labandero outside. Labandero for 2.
Good box out para dito sa panig ng Caloocan. One of the things also na kailangan nila mag-double time dyan dahil 26 rebounds ang Davao, 14 sila.
Oh, Kanapi from downtown.
Ito na, nakuha na yung kumpiyansa nitong si John Carl Kanapi. He already has 11 points in the game.
Labandero with a gorgeous move inside.
Oh, very deceptive move mula dito kay Labandero, evading his defender that time.
33-0. This is like the first game, no?
Oo.
Hilot. Blocked by Hirango. Here is Davao. Labandero with a layup. Oh, see, makita mo? Mabagal eh.
No, that's a huge difference here in this game. At ang problema rin, hindi rin nila ma-maximize sa opensa itong si Catalan dahil ang ganda ng denial sa kanya.
But if you will give the ball to him, siya na bahala. Ang galing niya. Oh, bad pass. Ang galing ni Catalan sa ilalim.
Because in terms of size,
mga old school na mga moves.
Walang makakapantay in terms of size eh.
Yung drop step niya, ang ganda. Yung mga fakes. Ang galing.
And that's the reason why Davao is staying with that zone defense. Para hindi magkaroon ng mga one-on-one opportunities.
3 minutes and 13 to go in the first half. Three-pointer para sa Caloocan. Labandero. Ball goes to Caloocan.
Slowly, Caloocan building momentum courtesy of those 2 3-pointers that they just hit.
Here's Kanapi. Hilot. Catalan. And he lost it. Medyo nagmamadali eh, no?
Yeah. But looking at the pace of our ball game right now, medyo hindi ito pabor sa Davao. They're used to playing low-scoring games.
Nice shot there. 3-point play para sa Davao.
That was Jefferson Bentulan. Double-double dito sa ating torneo. 12.6 points, 10.3 rebounds, and that time around, itong si Duke Santos wasn't able to stop him from getting that second chance opportunity.
Two minutes and 14 and balik na naman sa upuan si Catalan. Davao 37, Caloocan 36. What's wrong with that? Kaguluhan yata doon eh.
I think it's a bench decorum issue.
Yeah, Caloocan will get the technical
Improper
for
bench
improper
decorum.
bench decorum.
As you understand, in our rules,
Isa
isa lang ang pwede nakatayo. Yeah.
Para sa ibang referee, okay lang naman. dalawa. Wag isa lang yung magreklamo. Wag na yung marami. Magulo na yun eh.
Especially if there's a running dialogue while the ball is in play. Kasi minsan may mamimissing officials natin.
Tapos, pag hindi tatawagan, yung referee na naman yung may sala kasi hindi tumawag. Kinakausap nyo eh. Alam nga hindi sasagot, di ba?
Yeah.
But it's been a very close ball game, hotly contested ball game because the winner will face Luis Pampanga tomorrow at 1 p.m. at the Philoil Ecol Center in San Juan City. Alvarez lost it. Here is Baldomino, rejected by Hiorango.
Pangatlong supalpal na yan. Ano? Great defensive effort protecting that shaded area.
Foul is called. That's Canapi on your screen. Natamaan sa mukha eh. Parang yung bridge sa ilong.
Looks like he needs to be replaced here.
If he will get medical attention, he will be taken out. That's a FIBA rule.
Kaya nga.
Pag hindi siya nilapitan ng medic, he will continue to stay there.
At ito, tumayo na rin. Ayaw din magpapalit talaga.
It's a 2-point game. And it's been very close since we started this, 38-36. Hiorango, no problem for him to score that time.
Yung mga extra pass, yan yung maganda sa ginagawa.
You talk about extra passes. Now they have 12 assists here in the first half.
But a lot of fouls ang tinatawag ngayon dito. The game starting to be a little physical. And yung mga fouls na yan, puro away from the basketball pa.
Alvarez is at the free throw line. Alvarez still scoreless here. He averaged almost 5 points a game. 4 rebounds. Here in the tournament, he misses both. Yan yung mga sayang. It will haunt you kung palagi, especially when if we have a game like this.
Yeah, close games, ano?
Will haunt you in the end.
And also, yung mga ganitong types of fouls. You don't want to give them up, lalo na kung penalty ka.
Hilot. Canapi. Yes, his second from downtown.
Carl Canapi is feeling it. Walang mapasahan.
Di, consistent talaga yung tawag. Consistent talaga.
Ito si Gantuangco na ilang siya, wala kasing mapasahan. Akala, biglang tumalikod eh. Nakaw-play ang nakagawa doon.
Galing.
Franz Baldomino.
56 seconds to go. 8-second backcourt violation. Ang dami ng turnovers ng Davao. Dito, parang hindi nila napagandaan yung adjustment ng Caloocan.
17 turnovers. That's big.
At first half pa lang tayo.
Kaya nga, at ito. Failing to box out. Itong si Franz Baldomino.
Yung Cebu kahapon, tinambakan ng Davao City. 47 seconds to go. 1-point game. Lavandero. Oh, naka-angat yung kamay. Straight up defense there by Caloocan. Pero nakahanap ng spasyo. Itong si Lavandero.
Yeah, very shifty. Itong si Lavandero able to score another basket para sa kanyang kupunan.
44-43. The three won't go. 22 seconds remaining in the first half.
Oh, another turnover. Great effort on defense para dito sa Caloocan. That was courtesy of Leodil Hilot.
19 turnovers now para dito sa Davao City. First half pa lang.
And if you come to think of it, despite of those 19 turnovers, isa lang ang lamang. Imagine if they were able to take care of that ball.
Aldumino with a field goal there. Pero hindi sila takot mag-fast break eh, no? Pumasa, atake.
Kaya nga.
So it's a 3-point game. Lamang dito ang Caloocan at the end of 2 quarters of action. 46-43. We're back here and let's take a look at the tournament format.
Well, our tournament format is a single round robin and yung top 2 nga advance to the semifinals. It's going to be a crossover from those two groups, A1 versus B2, B1 versus A2. And the winners will advance to the finals, which is a winner-take-all, one game lang.
Oh, that will be tomorrow.
Oh.
This is the road to the PSL Global Challenge happening on July 15 to 21. Yung mga ibang teams galing ng US, Japan, Thailand, Canada, New Zealand, Europe, pupunta dito.
That's going to be
maganda doon, puro
interesting.
Pilipino yan.
Oh.
Puro Pilipino with parents. Kailangan may isang Pilipino.
So that's also one way for us, no, to tap yung mga talent. Oh, what a shot!
Ganda ng depensa mo. Titira ka na gano'n. Masakit yun. Caloocan with the advantage right now, 49 to 43. Ihorango. Ball taken away. Hilot with a gorgeous move. At ang tumatakbo na naman ngayon, itong Caloocan.
Kaya nga, nagawan pa ng paraan ni Hilot yun. Napakahirap na tira.
Nahilot pa niya eh.
Oh.
51 to 43, largest lead of Caloocan. Nice defense. There's the closeout and the try from the downtown.
Caloocan naman yan na nagmamadali, no? Parang kinukopya nila yung play style itong Davao.
51-46. Foul is called. Minsan kasi may panira na, i-drive pa eh.
Kaya nga.
.8:21 remaining in the third period. Bintulan will go to the free throw line. 5 points in this game, 9 rebounds and 4 assists, and he averaged 5 points, 9 rebounds. I mean that he averaged 12 points a game, 10 rebounds, double-double performance always para dito kay Jefferson Bintulan.
Oo, very efficient and siya talaga nga ang isa sa mga leaders, no, nitong Davao.
Leading the way para dito sa Caloocan, Canapi with 18 points, Baldomino with 11, Hilot with 8. Para naman sa Davao, Labandera with 10, Alcantara with 9, 8 para kay Ihorango. We'll turn you over now to Miki Santos. What's the latest there, Miki?
Quick update for the side of Caloocan. Coach Adrian welcomed his players during the halftime with a message to ignite the fire in his players. He told them that if they get the third quarter and manage to secure a double-digit lead, siguradong sa kanila na raw mapupunta ang panalo ngayong araw. With this, he aims to widen the gap with the team of Davao by putting in the early offensive work to really lock the lead in. Also, he reminds his players to stay away from the gamble steals and stick to the game plan list. That's all for the side of the Caloocan. Back to you guys.
The best part of being a coach is how you motivate your players.
Oo.
Yeah, di ba?
More than the X and O's.
Oh, especially kung wala nangyayari sa X and O's. Motivation na lang talaga eh. Good job.
Pero ito ngayon, para dito sa Davao, they seem to be really motivated na ibaba nila ulit sa tatlo.
Oo. Ganun yung nangyari kanina sa Caloocan eh, no? Anong tawag dyan sa Tagalog?
Up
Basta
and
sa
down
English,
palitan
up and down, back and forth.
Ang tanong ngayon dito, sino mas maraming gasolina? Kasi nakakapagod yung ginagawa nila.
Nagman ba yung gasolina kahapon?
Tumaas pa naman.
Parang ang nilalaro nila ngayon, pareho eh, no?
Oo. Tinapatan nga, ang nag-adjust dito talaga is Caloocan eh.
Canapi misfiring from beyond the arc. Another block para kay Ihorango. Takbo itong Davao. Bandao. A turnover para sa Davao. Sayang yung opportunity to score in transition para sa Davao.
Yeah, and one of the good things na nagawa ng Caloocan dito, nalimitahan nila talaga yung fast break point, especially here in the third. Di pa nadadagdagan, nakaka-12 pa lang. That was back in the first half.
Both teams scoring 7 points here in this quarter. Canapi. That's Hilot. Short on the three. Canapi with the offensive recovery. Shot clock down to 8. Hilot. Double screen from the top. Hilot with the move. He is fouled.
And he's very deadly kapag nakabuelo na itong si Eliodel Hilot because he could change his shot mid-air. Kita mo yung huling nangyari doon. Ano yan, kayang-kaya niyang mag-adjust eh.
Oo.
Because lakas din kasi ng katawan.
Itong si Hilot, he has 8 points, 2 rebounds, and 4 assists. Point guard yung mga numero.
Kaya nga,
And he averaged 13 points, 5 rebounds, 5 assists.
Yeah. Kompleto si Ricardo, itong si Eliodel Hilot. Not to mention, yung kanyang perimeter defense, very solid as well.
Ayun na po practice pa ganito mga bata now. Stay low, stay low. So that your game will grow. Spin move. Block again. Alcantara. 54-50. One-handed shot, that's good. And that's Bintula. Jefferson Bintula now with 9 points, 9 rebounds, and 4 assists. Nice drive. And Caloocan completing the steal.
And, much of the frustration, no? Itong si Ehurango, kita mo naman. Nanghihinayan siya. Alam niya kung gaano ka-importante every basket, every possession sa larong to.
Lamang ng 4 puntos ng Caloocan, Labandero. From far away. No, rebounded by Rojas. Traveling violation. .445 remaining in the third period. Rojas. Canapi. Getting only the back iron. Hilot. With the recovery. And he travels. Yun yung sinasabi natin.
Same situation, same call, the consistency again. We have to commend our officials.
Davao wants to talk things over. We'll be right back. You know, it's been a very close ball game, Melo, just like our first game here kanina.
Well, totoo yan. Both our teams came in prepared at maganda yung mga in-game adjustments nila dito. Kaya naman, yun nga wala talagang makalayo because may sagot dun sa mga for every attack nagagawa ng paraan.
Bandao, we go to the corner for 3. Oh, short. Iorango is fouled. Basket won't count.
Iorango already has 8 points ito sa ating laro, but 11 rebounds na.
He averaged 9 points a game, 14 rebounds, and almost 3 assists. Shot clock at 14 seconds. Hilot. Short on the drive. Foul is called. Not in the act of shooting.
Yeah.
It's a 2-point game here. Kanapi. And a chance to tie this ball game at 56-all for the city of Davao. Every team is running that play. Wala. Hilot hangs in the air. He overcooks. Pero yung kakampi niya, kulang naman yung tira. Lavandero for the tie. He flies in the air, draws the contact.
Bilis ng bola, no? Kita mo.
Yung babaan ba?
Yeah, 4 against 1.
Fast break yun sa Caloocan eh. Fast break din yung ano. Yung Davao.
Ang naging problema ng Caloocan doon, 2 players were asking for a foul.
.306 remaining. A 1-point game. Ngayon, tabla na tayo. Melo, 56-all. Neither team lead this ball game by as many as 9.
This has been the story of the game. A lot of deadlocks, a lot of lead changes. And we expect that to happen up until the final buzzer. Ganun talaga ka-intense tong laron to.
Hilot. Oh no, that's not Hilot. But Rojas was able to score. First 2 points for Rojas here in the third.
Sneaking behind the defense was Rojas.
Lavandero. He throws it up. Here's Caloocan. Oh! Lavandero came out of nowhere pero na-recover naman ni Palik yung bola. Hilot outside. Kanapi asking for the ball. Palik. Nice shot by Palik. But I love the recognition there by Kanapi.
Oh, and the good thing about Kanapi is he's draining a shot kaya napilitan. Itong si Iorango lumabas.
Final 2 minutes. On the third, wala. So let's take a look at the three-point shooting of Davao. 4 out of 19 now from beyond the arc. Traveling violation. Pang ano na yan ni Hilot pang tatlong traveling na niya yan, no?
It's the same move, same result para kay Leodel Hilot. He needs to adjust here.
.139 remaining in the third.
Strong drive going to the baseline mula dito kay Alberto Lavandero. Lavandero has 12 points already dito sa ating ball game. Very active in terms of offense. Nangunguna para dito sa panig ng Davao.
And Davao, they're shooting just 60% from the free throw line. And Lavandero goes 1 out of 2 at the line. 1 minute 30 to go in the third. Baldomino. Hilot. Baldomino rises up for 2 using the glass. Hilot trying to be acrobatic that time, but to no avail. Oh, what a shot! What a move there by Bandao.
And that's his game, no? Yung open court. If you give him a chance na makabuelo at makapag-operate, it's really gonna hurt you. Oh,
Big three.
from Steph Curry land. Yodil Hilot showing us why he's one of the leading three-pointers dito sa ating liga.
Bandao will try to answer. 37 seconds to go. Kanapi misses on the three attempt this time. You know, shooter's gonna shoot. 28 seconds remaining. Shot clock 24. A 2-second differential between the game clock and the shot clock. Lifting or dribbling violation para sa Davao.
That was on Labandero. He's trying to go move sideways, no, floating that basketball, but in the process, yun nga, nabuhat na yung bola dun.
Baldomino, we go inside. Bad pass there by Baldomino. Masyadong pinilit na.
Oo, good intention, pero masyadong malakas.
8.1 remaining. So it's a 4-point game. Caloocan defending. And that will do it. 3 quarters down, 1 more to go. All right, 4th quarter action, the road to the PSL Global Melo Navarro.
Yeah, we had tournaments with the respective localities. Itong ating mga koponan and the winning teams nag-advance nga dito sa regional finals and the top 2 to make it dun sa ating national finals. And ultimately, inaabangan na lahat. Sabi mo nga kanina, may mga darating na teams from all over the world yung PSL Global Championship natin.
Darating na yata sila ngayong, mga siguro ngayong this weekend.
Yeah.
Ba't ang ganda ng picture mo doon?
Nadaan sa edit.
At puting-puti kami.
Tayo. Yan ang gusto ko sa natin, sa graphics natin.
Chocolate Factory pala tayo. The 3, no! The ball goes out of bounds.
Gusto ko tuloy makita bigla yung kay Jaime. Kung paano pagkaka-edit.
Shot clock 13. Hilot was hit in the head. He will go to the line.
Maganda kay Yodil Hilot. Very efficient. So, walang sayang na galaw.
Oo.
Kita mo yung huling ginawa niya doon. Alam niya na merong sa challenge. Pinasabit niya talaga.
Parang veterano na eh. Kahit bata pa itong 2008 pero may makikita tayong mga players na magulang na maglaro eh.
Hindi na bata sa laro. Especially this guy, Yodil Hilot. He has been around yung mga age group leagues.
Uso pa naman yan.
Kaya nga.
Yung panahon namin, ano lang yun eh. Midget.
Mosquito lang.
Mosquito. Ngayon, wala na yung mga ganun eh, no? Wala na mga aspirants, di ba?
Oo.
Ngayon, wala na. Here is Hilot. And he lost it. And he lost it completely.
Nasobrahan
The
sa bilis.
case of overthinking.
Yeah.
$63.59. No connection, yes. On the second try, Horango was able to put the ball back into the hole.
Horango is having a feast without Catalan on the floor.
Yeah. The three won't work. There is Davao. They're running again. 4-on-2. Foul is called. Basketball count. And the Davao crowd reacting.
Strong move mula dito kay Justian Clark Bandao. Not intimidated by the numbers of Caloocan in that last sequence. Itong makikita basta buo ang loob at inatake sa loob.
14 years old lang to, no?
Oo. The way they play, akala mo talagang veterano na.
Oo.
Pero yun, di umubra yung veteran move doon.
8:41 remaining in this game. Tabla tayo. Mga ka-PSL, 63 all. Foul is on number 14. That's Alberto Labandero. Eight and a half remaining in the game. Now we'll turn you over to Mickey Santos. Mickey?
Just got back from the huddle session at Davao City, Sandy and Melo, and even though I wasn't able to understand the majority of their huddle being spoken in their mother tongue, but I do understand how they're planning to go all out and focus for the last quarter of the game. To add on to that, Coach Prince also points out the nerves that are preventing his players from really playing their game. That's why he reminds his guys to don't succumb to pressure, control their emotions, and show them who you truly are inside the court. Back to you guys.
You talk about pressure, Mickey. Pero nakikita natin na yung mga bata parang hindi sila nape-pressure eh. Laro lang sila, di ba?
Nga sinasabi natin na they may be young at 14, pero yung basketball age nila hindi na 14 eh.
Yung reps ba, no?
Oo,
yung ito, Davao.
The mileage that these kids have in terms of playing basketball, hindi mo na matatawaran.
Ang dami din mga basketball, magagaling na basketball players na galing doon.
Oo.
The Bunlian brothers came there. At Jun Simon, he's from Davao. Terry Albarillo, Bob Ilanga.
Oo, hindi na ako lalayo. Coach Bob Cozy.
Oo, di ba? Ang dami pa.
Nung huling dalaw ko nga doon, medyo konting pick-up games pa kami. Andun pa rin yung galaw. Hindi pa rin nawawala.
Ano pa, ha? Alvin Ting.
Oo.
Oo. Mga Davao boys yan. Bintulan will go to the free throw line. So kung ito maganda kasi dito sa PSL, you are representing a certain city or municipality or region. Makikita mo kung saan talaga mas maraming galing dyan. Pampanga dami. Cebu dami din, di ba?
This is the perfect chance to
So pag nakita mo, sino kalaban mo, Pampanga, di ba medyo, ay,
may ilang eh.
Malakas, no? Di ba? Ganon yun eh. Davao, oo. May mga regions talaga na basketball yung number one sport.
Kaya nga.
May mga regions naman na hindi masyado.
But it's possible na kasi nga walang platform eh.
Oo,
pero ngayon na meron na.
Ang daming liga.
Oo.
May maraming national events na rin para sa mga bata.
Kaya nga.
Di ba? Right now, palarong pabansa is happening in Cebu. Santos was blocked. Pero ito, may age group, tatlo to eh. It's born 14 below, 16 below, and 18 below. So, ang chance mo na ma-recruit, mataas.
Kaya nga, kasi nakikita ka na
Kasi 18 juniors yan eh.
Oo. And hindi ka lang nakikita doon sa mga usual na mga local leagues.
Oo.
Diba? You're playing in a huge stage at nakikita ka na kung paano ka
May live
maglaro
stream pa.
under pressure. Katulad nitong batang to.
Oo.
Giancarlo Canapi, not bothered by that defender right in front of him, knocking down another long three.
At hindi lang live stream, may nagsasalita sa live stream.
Oo.
Oo. Pero yung mga taga-provincia like Davao, Cebu, sanay naman sila sa maraming tao.
Kaya nga.
Oh, yun lang. Yung court, hindi masyadong ganito. Pero yung tao lang, siguro sa mga 3,000. Kasi pag intermunicipality, interbarangay, maraming taong nanonood yan eh.
Ngayon, nung panahon ko, college na ako naka-experience ng aircon na gym eh.
Doon naman sa amin, medyo bihirang aircon na gym.
So that's how the landscape has changed para dito sa mga batang to. Kumbaga, lumalapit na yung opportunity sa kanila eh, di ba?
Talagang ginagawa ng paraan like itong PSL National Finals natin para sa mga bata. Ginagawa ng paraan na yung basketball ang lalapit na talaga. That's a three-pointer from Hilot. Giving Caloocan a three-point lead.
6 na to. Lodel Hilot and Giancarlo Canapi conniving to once again give Caloocan a better lead.
For the tie, it rims out. Under by Rojas. And a bad pass. Tama naman sinabi na negative step yun eh.
Oo.
Yung papasa mo, pabalik eh.
Lalo na ngayon eh, 8 seconds lang ang ating backcourt.
Lavandero ram into a roadblock pero tatawagan siya ng traveling violation. It's a good thing na makukuha ng Caloocan ng possession dito.
Caloocan, a perfect opportunity for them to extend the lead at ngayon. I-dispose na yung bola, biglang napasintas yung player.
May technique din yan eh. Di ba? 70-64 with 6:02 remaining. Hilot crossing the timeline. He's being chased by Lavandero. He is trying to be creative. Iorango. Lavandero is ahead, but not way ahead. He thrusts it up, and he overcooks. The putback is good.
Great effort once again para dito sa panig ng Davao. That's very important na merong trail job eh, para nakukuha yung mga ganong klaseng mintis.
Oh, that's a block. Kaya tatawagan ng traveling. Medyo pinilit yun, Melo.
Oo. Pero wanna see kung nakakailang blocks na itong si Iorango.
Davao shooting here, 26 out of 66 from the field. That's 39% shooting. Lavandero will not score again.
Oh, you won't believe this, partner. Flirting with a triple-double itong si Iorango.
Wow.
9 blocks. Already has 12 points.
And we still have 5 minutes remaining.
13 rebounds at 9 blocks. Grabe.
POG candidate na kagad.
Oo.
Lagyan mo ng ayan, pogi na. A 4-point game. Canapi can't shake off his defender and a traveling violation. So many traveling violation called on both teams.
No, definitely our players needs to adjust.
Under 5 minutes to go. And Caloocan wants to talk things over. Davao City scoring to cut down the lead to 2. salamatan din natin yung mga bosses natin sa PSL, ano?
No, of
For
course.
creating this. Hindi mahirap to, ha? Pag-conceptualize nito.
Yeah.
Kasi global, eh. Hindi lang Pilipinas, eh.
Actually, it's one thing to conceptualize. Yung pag-execute, doon tayo mas napabilib
execution.
lalo.
So, si Congressman Claude Bautista, si Mr. Otep Ronquillo, si Bong Baribar, yung mga bosses natin dyan, yung mga deputy commissioners.
Our star-studded commissioners row.
Tsaka kay Chris Bautista, yung presidente natin. It's a 2-point game.
Nakita ko na si Press kanina eh. Ayun, he's there.
Saan ba? Ayun. Nasa malapit sa LED. Kompleto tayo ngayon kasi semis eh.
Kaya nga.
First game natin dikit, second game dikit. Mamaya naman, coming up, Cebu will take on Misamis Oriental sa Born 2006 category. Ngayon ay Born 2008 category. Ito yung sinasabi nating yung mga Steph Curry shots, no?
Oo.
Problema lang yung free throw.
Masyado kasi malapit yung free throw eh.
Sabi nga nila, pinakamadali daw sa free throw. Uy, 15 foot din yan, ha? Malayo din yan, di ba?
Pero kalaban mo kasi dito yung sarili mo eh. Because you know that there's no defender, so it's a game of nerves.
At saka lahat ng mata nakatingin sa'yo.
Oo.
And you missed both free throws. Yorango takes care of it. And a chance to tie this ball game at 70-all. Nakapag-overtime na ba tayong dalawa?
Wala pa.
Wala pa. Kasi si Bill nakadalawang beses dito eh. Baka lumipat na sa kanya yung sa akin. 4 minutes and 10 remaining in the fourth. It's been a very close ball game. Neither team lead this game by as many as 9. Inside, nice roll there by Rojas. Active hands para sa Davao. Nako. Short. And the layup para sa Davao. Tabla tayo, 70. Melo Navarro.
Yeah, this is the theme of the game. Talagang ayaw maghiwalay nitong dalawang kupunan natin na to. Patibayan na lang ng dibdib at kung sino yung makakagawa ng mga better decisions down the line.
3 minutes and 20 to go. Canapi. Canapi ram into a roadblock and will get the kind bounce. Giving Caloocan a 2-point lead.
And this is the types of situations na talagang gustong-gusto ni John Carl Canapi. Some players, kumbaga pag pressure pack na, mas lumalabas yung laro nila.
Masanay siyang ma-pressure, eh, no?
Oo.
Floater for the tie, no. Spin move. Get 2 free throws. Para kay Lavandero, the third. If he scores 2 points at the line, tabla tayo 72. And he's hearing it from the Caloocan crowd. And he gets the first. Unnervous Lavandero.
9 out of 16 from the free throw line itong Davao. Make that 10 out of 17.
Lavandero shooting 90% from the free throw line. Mataas yun. .240 remaining. 12 seconds to go. Hilot. Reverse, very short. Malakas naman yun. Davao now can take the lead. Let's see. Malakas. Players diving for the loose ball. Bandao has it. Final 2 minutes, the 3. Wala! Caloocan basketball. Hindi takot sila mag-fast break, ano? Basta tapo na lang yung bola.
Kaya nga, pero great effort dun, ha? Itong Davao, hinabol.
Bumalik. Oo. At parang hindi humihingal yung dalawang kupunan eh. From far away, wala! Naku Melo, 1:39 to go. Tabla tayo. Second game pa lang to.
Oo, ito yung mga gusto nating sitwasyon.
Dama yung mga sumusunod eh. Lavandero. Canapi on him. Ihorango gets by Canapi. Ihorango puts it up. Wala. Bola pa rin ng Davao. 4-3. That's a travel.
Very tentative, no? Itong Davao City on that last possession. A lot of opportunities
Sila
for
yung
them.
na-pressure.
Oo.
You know, Mickey was talking about pressure. Galing sa Davao yun. Yung report galing sa Davao. Na
Kaya nga,
do not succumb to pressure. Eh, ngayon, nakikita natin. May mga open eh.
Yeah.
1 minute remaining in this game. Tied at 72 all. Hilot! He gets it back. Denied by Ihorango.
Triple-double na. Kung si Ihorango with that block.
47 seconds. Oh! Bad pass! Bad pass after bad pass after bad pass.
And the thing about that play, meron pang mas nauuna para dito sa Caloocan. But Golden Hill, what a turn of events here.
Ano Melo, time out muna tayo. All right, we are back here inside the Victoria Sports Tower. You're in Quezon City. Ang dali lang dito, isang MRT sakay lang yan.
Oo.
Pag sakay ka ng papuntang EDSA Kamuning Station, pagbaba mo, yun na. Victoria Sports. Sumunod kayo ng live. Kasi bukas, fill all na tayo, no?
Yeah, oo. San Juan tayo.
35 seconds to go. Tabla tayo, 72. Shot clock at 10. Ang daming sequence nito dalawang kupunan. Hindi nakascore. Lavandero. Wala. Go! What a fake! Plus a foul!
A lot of bodies falling there on that last sequence.
Lavandero is hurt.
And these are crucial free throws.
With 20 seconds to go. Mga ilang sequence yun. Mga sobrang lima eh. Tapos mga 2 minutes na lang yun eh, no?
Oo.
Well, the medic.
For the thing here, kung
Oo nga.
magpapalit ng free throw shooter,
Kaya
kapag
sinabihan
inasigaso
siya. Kaya sinabihan siya na
Oo,
referee.
ayun.
Ayun. Malaman ng mga viewers natin. FIBA rules po ha.
Oo.
Pag nilapitan ka ng medic and you will get medical attention, ay kahit suggestion, pag nahawakan ka, hindi ka na pwedeng maglaro.
Mandatory substitution yan.
Mandatory substitution. So, kaya nilapitan siya referee, pahawak ka. Kaya, all eyes on this guy. Lavandero misses the first. 90% yan.
Oo, we talked about him. 90.9 free throw shooter.
Pressure.
Feeling the pressure.
Sinking in right now para dito sa batang Davao. Isa. And he missed both. 19 seconds. Hilot. 10 seconds. Davao City chanting defense. Hilot sees space. Oh, what a shot! Hilot with a gorgeous move inside. Just in time with 0.6 to go. How did he manage to do that?
That was a tough move mula dito kay Leodil Hilot against the defense of Alexander Jose Ejurango, who has been a menace on defense all throughout this game.
0.6 to go.
A shot. The smallest guy on the floor challenging the big men on that last attack.
We'll be right back. Hilot. Let's take a look at his numbers. 14 points, 7 rebounds, and 6 assists. He's a good driver. After so many attempts.
Yeah, both teams in the penalty, so honest defense ang kailangan gawin dito.
0.6. But you know, crazy things happen. Basketball. And I think crazy is in the building. Again.
Cannot allow.
So they are checking the time kasi pag mas kailangan, patayin yun eh. So baka may oras pa ba?
And at this point of the game,
maganda naman yung ano ng mga referees.
Yeah,
maganda yung punto nila.
and if you're Davao ngayon, every second match, even the millisecond matters to you.
Pero yung Caloocan, hindi papayag. All right, time out. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 1.3 to go. 1.3 seconds remaining in this game. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. They are adjusting the time, and it's 1.3 when they review it. They are adjusting the clock right now. Are you going in for the win, for the tie, Melo?
Well, if you're Davao ngayon, they're shooting only 17% from the three-point line. At they're very efficient with their inside scoring, so I would expect them to go in the paint right now dahil penalty rin naman itong Caloocan.
So are they going for the alley hoop?
Pwede, oo.
For the tie.
And sa pwesto rin itong si Jorango, no? You could expect a cross screen for him.
Pero Caloocan talking to the referee. Kasi valid naman yung contest ng contention ng Davao na after the shot may oras pa ba?
Yeah,
so ni-review natin, may oras pa. So 1.3 to go. Coach Prince on the screen right now. Usapan natin yung ang dami ng drive kanina ni Hilot na puro pilit no? Ang dami niyang namintis na layup. Yung pinaka-importanting layup na ipasok niya. Very difficult to do.
We always say that big-time players
Scores
make big-time plays.
Make big-time plays, yeah.
Yun talaga ang ginawa ni Jodil Hilot. That was a gutsy move.
14 points, 7 rebounds, and 6 assists. Pang point guard talaga yung numero
Very steady and we need to absorb the pressure. Yun naman ang importante.
Nagdi-dribble siya, tinitingnan niya yung oras
No.
Tinitingnan, walang kaba no? Oops. So lahat ng tao nakatingin, hindi nakatingin sa atin, nakatingin sa oras yan.
Oo.
Kasi gagawin nilang 1.3. Kailangan 1.3 yan. Ayun, ang sobra. Ano ba? Gap tayo. All right, ladies and gentlemen, 1.3 remaining in this action-packed ball game. Bandao inside for the tie. Sumobra! Oh! They will review it.
You have to review that last play.
Nako.
That was yun yung pinag-usapan natin, a cross screen for Jorango. Yun nga nangyari. He had a shot.
No? Nasobra.
That was close.
Okay. So, the referees says the basket of Davao will not count. Masakit.
Yeah, they had a wide open shot from Mejorango. And they had an opportunity on the other side. Kaya lang nga.
Naabutan
Oo,
1.3.
yeah.
1.3. Kasi na-attempt, nahulog pa. Nirebound pa eh.
Kung direct to the ring, pwede pa. Kasi bumboard pa eh.
So, nag-board. So may mga a fraction of a second na may...
that was really close.
Heartbreaker. Sabi ko nga kanina, dikit yung laban, walang lumamang ng malaki.
Well, yan ang hatid natin sa inyo dito. 2 games.
Ay, PSL yata yan. Dito, Pinoy ang bida.
1.1.
All right, we go to our best player of the game. Si Steph Curry, Canapi. Mickey.
Kasama ko na ngayon ang ating best player of the game, none other than, pakilala mo sarili mo sa camera.
John Joel Canapi, team ng Caloocan.
Yun naman! Kaya naman, John, congratulations! Pasok ang team nyo for the Global Finals. Ay, for the Regional Finals. Grabe. Ano bang tumatakbo sa isip mo during the last minute of the game? Kinabahan ka ba or ano?
Nakakaba po yung last 1 minute po kasi nakadikit po yung kalaban namin eh. Mabuti na lang po, nandiyan po si Hilot, pinasok po yung last basket. Kaya po nakuha namin yung panalo.
Meron bang sinabi sa inyo si Coach na sa tingin nyo, naging susi ng pagkapanalo nyo ngayong araw na to?
May sinabi po sa amin si Coach, kung gusto daw po namin pumasok ng finals, wag daw po kami sumuko, tsaka mag-focus daw kami sa depensa, hindi po opensa.
I love that. Bukas naman ay makakalaban nyo ang Pampanga. Paano ba ikaw maghahanda para sa game nyo bukas?
Matutulog po ng maaga para po kondisyon, tsaka kakain din po sa lamang oras.
Yun, matutulog siya ng maaga. Sana lahat. Once again, congratulations, John. See you tomorrow. And back to you guys.
Alright, tama yun Tulog kayo ng maaga. Bukas, maglalaro na sa finals. Up next, Cebu versus Misamis Oriental. Ano ba?